just turn this place misused, mistakes too long, too late. Who was I to make you wait? Just one chance, just one breath, just in case there's just one left. 'Cause you know, you know, you know I love you. I loved you all along. I miss you. Far away for far too long. I keep dreaming you'll be with me, and you never go. Stop breathing if I don't see you anymore. On my knees, I'll ask last chance for one last dance. 'Cause with you, I'd withstand all of hell to hold your hand. I'd give it all, I'd give for us, give anything, but I won't give up. 'Cause you know, you know, you know I love you. I loved you all along. I miss you. Been far away for far too long. I keep dreaming you'll be with me, and you never go. Stop breathing if I don't see you anymore. So far away, so far.
Hello, Mama! Kamusta ka na dyan? Happy birthday! Sana mag-ingat ka dyan! I love you! Mwah!
Hi, Ate Michelle! Happy birthday! Ang laki na ng baba mo. Ang baba ko. Ingat ka dyan sa Iraq. Joke, saan ka nga? Sa Syria, kung saan ka man naroon. Bye-bye!
Michelle,
Happy birthday! Sana pasalubong pagbalik mo, ha?
Balik mo!
Happy birthday uli.
Happy birthday!
Bye!
Hi Michelle, happy birthday. God bless. Happy birthday Michelle. Ingat ka dyan.
Pasalubong, ha?
Happy birthday, Michelle. May you see many happy more ones to come in the future. God bless you, Brian and Sophie. Cheers, darling. Happy
Happy birthday, ate! Ingat pa lagi. See you soon. Bye!
Oh, happy birthday, Michelle. Si Uncle Bong mo ito. Kumusta na kayo dyan? Okay.
Hello, Michelle! Kumusta ka na dyan? We miss you! Andito kami sa Mampurog. Late na ang get together but huliman daw
Magaling.
at magaling na
Maihahabol
maihahabol din. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ayun na lang. Bati lang.
Hello, Michelle. Birthday message from Papa. These are biblical verses. Trust in Yahweh and do good. Delight yourself also in Yahweh, and He will give you the desires of your heart. Commit your way to Yahweh, trust also in Him, and He will bring it to pass. And He will make your righteousness to go forth as the light, and your justice as the noonday. Rest in Yahweh and wait patiently for Him. A man's goings are established of Yahweh, and he delights in his way. Though he falls, he shall not be utterly cast down, for Yahweh upholds him with his hand. I have been young, and now am old, yet have I not seen the righteous forsaken, nor his seed begging bread. All the day long he deals graciously in lends, and his seed is blessed. Maano pa tayo?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, ate kong maganda. Ingat ka dyan lagi. Bale, yung message ko lang sa'yo, huwag ka magpapalipas gutom. Baka mamayat ka, hindi na kita makilala. Love na love ka namin dito. Sobrang miss ka na namin. Huwag ka mag-alala, si Sophie, laging nasa mabuting kalagayan. Basta ikaw, mag-ingat ka dyan. Love you uli. Bye-bye.
Hello Michelle, happy birthday sa anak kong maganda, kapareho ng nanay at ni Sophia at ni Chi. Sana okay ka dyan palagi. Just pray always to Yahweh for her guidance, for His guidance pala. At sana palagi kang maging masaya. You deserve the best. Happy birthday again.
Ate Michelle, happy birthday! Mag-ingat ka dyan lagi. Tapos magdasal ka lagi kay Yahweh. At saka, salamat sa mga bonus na binibigay mo. Haha.
Hi Michelle, happy birthday! Kumusta ka dyan? Siguro, miss mo na ang mga tao dito. First time mo na mag-birthday na, malayo ka sa amin, lalo na kay Miss Marilyn, Sophie, saka kay Brian. Alam ko, marami kang first time diyan. Pero, isipin mo lang para sa lahat, para sa kabutihan ng lahat ang ginagawa mo. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day, have fun, and Yahweh bless you.